Essential oils are literally plant magic, and if you're going to use them, you should use them right? They have amazing properties to not only heal your body from the inside out, but also to inspire stuff in you like confidence, balance, and focus. Today, I'm going to share with you my favorite confidence blend. I absolutely love blending essential oils, but I hear from a lot of you how it's confusing and you're not really sure what oils you should blend or how much and so on and so forth. Newsflash, this is not super complicated, my friends. You can be very intuitive, and I'm going to give you a couple of tips so you can blend your oils like a pro, and I'll give you the confidence blend that I talked about. First things first, you choose a carrier oil, or if you're not going to put this blend directly on your bod, just get some water for your diffuser. Now, if you're using a carrier oil is the way to dilute the potency of the essential oil if you're putting it on your skin. Now, this isn't always necessary, but if you're new to oils, you start here to avoid any skin irritations. You got it? Now, my favorite is fractionated coconut oil because it's already in liquid form, so it's super easy to add on an empty roller ball or applicator or directly into the palm of your hands. The second thing is to think about what you want the blend to do for you. Now, for this video, we're talking about confidence, right? Which means we want plants that kind of have that vibe around them. Now, I think this is where people get stuck. They don't know what oils do, so they don't make any blends. Think of it this way. How does the plant the oil comes from grow? Is it like low to the ground? Because that's going to be an oil that grounds you when you need some sort of calm. Or is it from something like a huge, super strong, huge tree? That's a steadying oil, and you'll use it when you're feeling anxious. Or is it from a vine or a delicate flower? That's a softening oil. Use it when you need to calm yourself. Make sense? So think about that vibe that you want, then the plants the oils are derived from. Okay? And now the last step is to think about what makes up that vibe you're trying to create. Now we want confidence, right? What does a confident vibe feel like? It's unafraid, it's full of certainty, it's got some spice to it, it's vibrant and energetic, all that good stuff. So we want oils from plants that contain those properties. Think about the mixture of emotions and vibes that you want in that blend and how much of each that you want. Maybe when you think of confidence, it isn't energy like bouncing off the walls, but more like a Zen-like focus. All right? Now I think you're ready for the recipe. This confidence blend is made up of these following oils. It's 4 drops of wild orange for energy, 3 drops of cinnamon, the spice brings in the focus, 3 drops of bergamot, this one wards away anxious feelings and fear, and these oils, add them to an empty roller ball container, put them in your diffuser. You can get really cheap roller balls on Amazon. I think I'll link the link to you in the description. And then adjust these levels to suit your particular confidence needs. Once you've added in the oils, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil if you're doing a roller ball or whatever carrier you choose. And I love to put this confidence blend on the back of my neck, on my wrists, sometimes even on the bottom of my feet, all right? So be sure to grab the download with this blend in it at haleyhobson.com/confidence blend. That's the link. It's in the description. Let me know your favorite blends in the comments here. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And be sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an episode. And I'll see you, my friend, online.